Good morning, guys. I am on my way to Kentucky, to southern Kentucky, middle Kentucky. Well, I don't know if it's middle Kentucky. It's probably western Kentucky. I am going to Kentucky Farm or Kentucky, Oregon. I think it's called Kentucky Organic Farm and Feed. And so we are going to buy some chicken feed, and we're going to try it out on our regular chickens and see how they produce eggs and all of that stuff. Because Tractor Supply and stuff like that, I was getting good food there, but I could not afford their organic feed. In this place, I could afford their organic feed. So I'm doing that and driving, so I'm not paying attention to the camera that much. But that's what I'm up to today, and we'll kind of show you the place a little bit where I'm going. It's about an hour and 15 minutes away from my house. So we're going to go ahead and get like 8 bags. And then they do have grower feed. So if all goes well, we will use them for grower feed as well. It's kind of a win-win-win if this all works out well. So we'll see you guys there. Okay, entering Kentucky. Manure on the road. These roads out here are really thin, and so when you come across a car, they're harder to pass them. I took a wrong turn, so I'm having to go around. This is my first time out here. I've been to Amish country before. There's a little place that we used to go see a lot. There's old videos of that. I can link it to this one. Here it is.
You've arrived at your destination.
There's an Amish guy picking up some of his food. So here we are. Hey guys, so I am driving down the road and I'm stuck behind a tractor, and it's an Amish couple driving the tractor. They're probably going into town, and yeah, that's how they do it around here. When they don't want to rent a car to go to the store, they just get in the tractor. Here we go. You got egg bags at 50 pounds a piece to get out of here. Okay. And then of course Chewy came too. Oh. Where I got it. You guys are the brand we used to get. It's good enough if you can't get organic at a good price like this. This 50-pound bag cost just 10 cents more than this organic feed. So you can see why I'm switching. Because I prefer to go organic anyways, but this got me through. It is what it is. I did order chicken scratch for them. This chicken scratch I was buying was the same brand as that chicken feed, which I got for $17 a bag. The chicken scratch was more, and they recommended it. Sorry, I'm getting hot. They recommended it because for our turkeys, it has minerals that they need in it. So we went ahead and got the scratch for the turkey's health. As she's just sitting there. I don't know if you guys can see her. Polly, hey, where'd you So this is what their chicken scratch looks like. And it's got peas and everything in it. Organic corn, organic sunflowers, all kinds of grains. And then this is them eating it. Looks like they love it. Oh, Polly's eating the peas. Yeah, they like that stuff. I'll show you up close. The other stuff is not pellets, it's just grainy food like that too. But, not grainy, but I'll show you up close. I didn't get the soy free, which I know a lot of people like to get. But it would be good to get. This is what their chicken food looks like. And as it goes down, there are other foods in pellets. You can see in there. There we go. Maybe. And that will mix together. So just like dog food, you're not giving them all a new kind of food all at once. So they won't get sick or anything. So they look like they're enjoying the scratch, and the scratch definitely has a lot more nutrients in it than the other food I was using. So I'm gonna get these in the house, or in the tiny house, get stuff put away. So I'm done with the day. And I'm not affiliated to them in any way. They're Amish. They're never gonna see this, but I know that Annabelle Trades use them, and I like her style. I like the way she does things, and so I thought I'd give them a try. So I'll keep you guys updated on what it's like. Okay, so there you guys go. We're gonna try out that feed. Looking forward to seeing how fantastic it goes. They seem to really like the scratch more so than the other stuff. Maybe it will make them lay better. There's a lot more protein in that scratch than the other version. So I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys updated on how they're reacting. Are we seeing any egg loss, or any of that stuff? The egg shells with the other feed was really good. We're getting eggs every day from almost every chicken. So we'll watch those things and make sure that that's still happening. And if there's a big change, we'll let you guys know. If it's just, they slow down a little bit, that's okay. So we got 8 weeks worth. We'll let you guys know over the next little bit of time. It's gonna take them about 3 or 4 more days to get through what they have and adjusting through that. And we'll let you guys know. Thank you for watching today here at Hedgehog's Homestead. God bless, and we'll see you next time.